Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the mail app error code message 0x8007139f that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. We're getting a little pop-up of this, something went wrong. We're sorry, but we weren't able to do that. Error code 0x8007139f. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu and then type mo lang dito yung settings. And then next ay select mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings and then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security and then scroll down. At dito lang sa app permissions ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung email. So scroll down and then ito na siya. So select mo lang dito yung email. And then next dito sa email access, kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. So dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung button niya and then turn on natin. And then next, dito naman sa let apps access your email, dapat naka-turn on dito. And then dito sa kanyang other apps dito. Ayan. Okay, so ang next step, so close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung WS reset. Ayan. And then, click mo lang dito yung run as administrator. At madadirect tayo dito sa Microsoft Store. Ibig sabihin ay na-reset na ito. And then, next step ay close lang natin dito at kailangan lang natin mag-restart dito sa start menu and then click mo lang dito yung restart. Yeah, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang mail app error code 0x8007139f in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.